next song from my mom. She's an awesome lady. Do we have any mamas in the audience today? Yeah. Alright, this one goes out to the mothers. Called Mama Knows.
Mama said good things go through. She was a brave, she was a need. Well, I had much figured it out. Cause when you've got nothing, there's nothing to bitch about. She would say, oh, don't hit me with the stuff. You say you got money, you got something, just hit me with love. You ain't got love, you ain't got love. Don't hit me with the stuff. You say you got money, you got something, just hit me with love. You ain't got love, you ain't got nothing. Mama knows it. Yes, she does. Well, no shit, your life is hard. Is it Sunday when you know who you are? No shortcut gonna bring you with a peace. Hell, no. But your mama knows just what you need. She would say, oh, don't let me get your stuff. You say you got money, you got something, just hit me with love. You ain't got love, you ain't got love. Don't let me get your stuff. You say you got money, you got something, just hit me with love. You ain't got love, you ain't got love. Mama knows, yeah. Mama knows. Let's break it down.
Dirty Birds are gonna shake something. Buffalo, will you shake something for me? Alright. Okay, let's get real here for a minute. I want to remind you all to be really nice to your mom, alright? Maybe you already know this, I hope you do. Sometimes we forget, you know? Sometimes the people that are closest to us are the ones that we overlook sometimes. Just want to give you a little friendly reminder. Mom is number one. She created you. She gave you all that life and all that love for so long. She deserves a little goddamn respect, am I right? Cause she's gonna be there for you when everyone else in your life may fail you. And when you need her, she will always have your back. So when you find yourself in a little trouble,